Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? The weather was very bright, there was sun and I am in high spirits, so I went to UZUAKOLI to give you updates on the 67km UZUAKOLI Akaron Hafia road construction. On my last video on the update on this road, that was 3 weeks or is it up to a month ago, I started my video from Omaya town, but on this video I didn't start from Omaya town. I started from Umuyota, Alike, Ohonho. I think we've already passed Umuire. On this video we are going to pass Ubani, Emedi Ibeko, Tredmore Estate before we enter UZUAKOLI, which is in Bende local government area of Abia State. Today's video is special. I didn't stop at the UZUAKOLI construction site as usual. I went inside UZUAKOLI a bit, although I didn't stop anywhere, but I passed the Ndiagbo, Eluoma, UZUAKOLI. I also passed the Amaoro, or is it Amora? Sorry, correct me. I'm not sure of the name. Eluoma too. Then guess where I passed? I also passed the Methodist College UZUAKOLI, which is the first secondary school in Abia State and also the first secondary school in the East, founded in 1923, formerly known as UZUAKOLI Institute before it was renamed Methodist College in 1931. That's gonna be small pikin, no, na old man, serious old man, grandpa. It's 101 years this year. Please give me a love emoji if you attended Methodist College. You're a legend, Joe. So now we are in Ubani, approaching Tredmore Estate. Have I told you are the best today? Yes, you are the best. Thank you so much for all your support and your love. My last video, a lot of people encouraged me and it boosted my confidence. It gave me ginger, man. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate, and I want to let you know that you are my number one. Yeah, and guess what? Tomorrow is my birthday, 19th of June. No wonder I am in high spirits. I'm gonna cut by the cake, man. Please give this video a thumbs up, share and comment nicely. And if you are not a subscriber yet, no birthday cake for you tomorrow. Please subscribe. So we just passed Tredmore Estate. We are still in Ubani, Umaya, but very soon we will leave Umaya and enter UZUAKOLI, which is another local government known as Bende local government. Bye bye from Umaya. Now we are in UZUAKOLI. So this is the UZUAKOLI Akara Hafia Road. When we got here, I didn't notice much difference from what I saw a month ago, or was it 3 weeks ago. They are still grading the road, and I noticed that there is water in people's farms, and I don't know if it's that way before, or maybe the construction of the road affected their farms. Not all the farms though, but some of the farm. So this is the road, this is how it is now. Please watch this video to the end. We'll still move further to the end of the road where the construction ended, and we'll still go inside. As I said earlier, we are going to see the Methodist College and move a little bit. We are going to move a little bit before we end this trip and guess the next place we are going to. Ta-da! I don't want to tell you, just wait and see in my next video. Please keep watching and don't be bored. We have a lot of places ahead of us.
hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top.
Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.